Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So Thursday evening, San Francisco Modern Art Museum opens up late, and I am a member, so I went to Modern Art Museum to see exhibition. And I went there something like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and the museum closed at 8 o'clock. So I was thinking I shall go around. And I walked past beautiful buildings. San Francisco is so beautiful. And I came to this place, and it's Mechanics Institute, library and chess room. I have heard about it, and I always looked forward to find it. I have been to San Francisco many times, and there were times I actually tried or made effort to look for it, but because San Francisco is difficult to find parking and big cities like this, so I never really managed to make it there. And I heard a lot of interesting things. And finally, I am here now. Mechanics Institute in San Francisco. And this is very, very, very close to the Modern Art Museum. It's a small building, old, antique building. It's an old building, and I think it's after the San Francisco fire, 1906. And this might be the big fire's painting. So I went inside. It's really very, very beautiful, very classic, and it's so very quiet. So I did not dare to do a whisper video. I think, not to say whisper, even a needle dropped to the ground will be as loud as a nuclear bomb explosion. It's just so very quiet. So I went inside, and I'm very, very impressed by it. It feels very nostalgic and quiet, and it's in the most crowded, noisy downtown area. There is such a paradise, and it's really very exceptional. And there are people coming here. So I searched online, and when I came back home, so this is a voiceover, a little bit of this place. So this place is opened for the mechanics as a vocational training ground. You know, in 1848, San Francisco discovered gold, right? Not exactly San Francisco, but California found gold. So people all over the world came to San Francisco, came to California looking for gold. And in 5 years, the gold is done, is finished. That is California. Everything is short-lived. Everything is just so short. And it's very much San Francisco. It's very much Californian spirit, taking risk and make use of any possibility and exhaust it and strike gold. That's a California mentality. So the gold, they almost finished the gold. So what to do? a lot of people lost their job. They came all over the world and there is no more gold, and there is a need to retrain these people, to get them back to work, not from the gold industry, gold mining. So that's when this place opened. It's around 1847, something like it. It's just after so many jobless people, so they started to have class, have library, and at the beginning is very industrial oriented, mechanics, workmanship, craft oriented. So they had a lot of exhibitions, award, very active in the industry, in the development economy of the city. So some cities, some business got award, and their award are still being used. Here is a list, and the old library was built on the land of James Leake. Because I have been to Leake's observatory. James Leake is from Scotland or Irish. It's the early immigrant. Came here and he became rich. He got a lot of land. He wanted to leave a name, so he built an observatory. And his observatory actually helped Einstein's to prove relatively, not exactly. He was one of his observatory was one of the crucial important thing to prove the theory of relativity. And it's a complicated story. I will talk about it, or you can search it to learn further. Anyway, so the land was donated by James Leake, and they had a lot of award-winning ceremony, industrial design, and who got the best design. So Singer sewing machine, the make clothes, Goodyear tire, Borden bakery. Now they are still in business. Levi Strauss, the jean, and actually the mayor of San Francisco, the new mayor of San Francisco, his family is from this jean family, from this Levi business. And Gump, a very beautiful shop, and Ghirardelli chocolate, and I went to San Francisco. Another reason is that the new mayor, every day, he is very much on the TikTok. He will say, oh, there is a new shop open, oh, there is a new concert coming, and he's very active. He is, I follow internet or TikToker. I find it cute. Anyway, so that's a little bit history about this place. And because of the San Francisco fire, it got burned down, and it renovated, rebuilt. And nowadays, it's not only focused on mechanics. They also have, just as a normal library, it's membership. I do not have a membership, so I do not know why. I just suddenly so wanted, so I asked, can I check out the library? I know I didn't book anything. Usually they book it. And then there was a lady, the security gave me a piece of 15 minutes pass so that I can go there. So I went there, and people working there, they talk very quietly, and they told me all these stories. So it's membership based. If you have a membership, you can go there. I do not have membership, so I stay 15 minutes, and there is no point I get a membership because I do not live there. And but it's really a very, very fun place. And it's about time to conclude it. Anyway, I so enjoy this place, and now they have just used as a normal library. There are beautiful books, and I was in front of these fashion books and looking at these beautiful fashions, and it's just so fun. And the senior style fashion. I look at my glasses and just being silly. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Cuckoo, bye, bye.